Hi there, Rita. I thought I'd start with a little bit of sunshine there in Weymouth behind me from one of our weather watchers, just to prove there is some sunshine out there. Grey skies for many of you so far today. What we haven't got, though, are scenes like this. Can you believe it? This is actually the Sunshine Island of Mallorca. Heavy snowfall, near record-breaking rain and strong winds causing all manner of disruption this morning, including power cuts and travel problems. It's all because of what's called Storm Juliet, a deep air of low pressure, which is only slowly churning through the western Mediterranean, will later edge its way in towards Italy. It's been kept at bay across southern Europe because we have still got, as we have had for a while, an area of high pressure. Now, they usually keep things dry. This one is not quite playing the game, as some of you have already realised.
Hello there, good afternoon. Today's weather is looking very similar to how it was yesterday, and there won't be any big changes either tomorrow. If anything, a little more in the way of cloud today. Here's Victoria Park and Knightsbridge as recorded by our weather watchers earlier on this morning. We'll be keeping those layers of cloud as we head through the afternoon, and there's still a brisk and a chilly northeasterly wind blowing.
But it was cold down at the zoo today, wasn't it?
Oh, it's so cold. When we get this cloud and no sun gets through, it's just the temperatures drop down, and it's cold at night as well. And my smart meter is really stressing me out because it just keeps, we're turning everything off and it just keeps going up. And it might get even colder as we go through into the start of next week. I'm sorry to be the bearer of that news. Here we go. Well, I hope you had a lovely last day of February. Judging by the look on this bird's face, it would suggest it probably didn't. But anyway, first day of spring tomorrow, and our weather looks pretty settled once again. For the rest of the week, there's a fair bit of cloud around. At times, we'll get some breaks for a little bit of sunshine, and it's feeling quite nice in the sunshine. But of course, under the cloud, in any breeze, it's actually still feeling fairly cold and chilly at night time, with still the risk of some frost. Once again, so the outlook, seeing a bit more cloud probably through to Friday and Saturday. Our temperatures round about average, but chilly under that cloud and cool at night time. That's it for now.
Everything has kind of ground to a halt weather-wise across the UK. We've got this big area of high pressure to thank. If we play the charts through the next 4 days, you can see the lines, the isobars wobble about a bit, but that high is clinging on there to the northwest of the UK. Nothing is going to change in a hurry, and day on day, any changes will be very subtle. So for the next few days, we have a lot of cloud, which is going to be spread out across the UK, but I don't think we'll see very much in the way of rain.
Are we going to have clear nights this evening and onward?
Well, no, the signal was quite strong actually for the aurora earlier on in the day, but it's now dropped. It's going to be a lot lower tonight, and in any case we won't see anything even if the signal was much higher, because the skies are going to be cloudy. But we do have another couple of weather watcher pictures again from Hertfordshire spotted last night. So this one, you can just see the faint glow there, not as good as all the photographs from further north, of course, earlier on through the week, but still pretty impressive for this far south. But that's kind of it for now, really. It's not going to be a thing for the rest of the week. Instead, we're going from the sublime to the rather mundane, because this is what we saw for most of us earlier on today. Plenty of cloud around, a few showers at times. Not too many changes actually as the week wears on, although it will turn sunnier by the time we get to Thursday. Tomorrow, it's more of the same. I've put a bit of sunshine on just to cheer us all up. There won't really be very much, but a few brighter spells. Cloudy, some showers, and again feeling really rather chilly.
A very good evening to you. Staying chilly for the time being, and if you think it's cold now, wait until next week. Temperature set to slide, a taste of winter once more. In the meantime, lots of cloud, limiting the chance of any decent patches of blue sky and sunnier spells, and a fair few scattered showers for a few of us as we head through the next 24 to 48 hours.